Well, the sounds of Nashville are coming to Sioux Falls. Next month, some of the area's best country singers will be performing on one stage. But as you're about to see, this won't be your typical concert. Danica Michaels of Sioux Falls recently wrote and recorded "I Dodged a Bullet." Now, she's the one who's pulling the trigger on something big.
It's gonna, I think, gonna be a very big deal.
Next month, she will host and perform on stage with several other local singer-songwriters at the Sounds of Nashville, an event she helped organize after attending a similar one in Deadwood.
It was one of the most influential weekends of my life. I was able to connect with other songwriters within the state and then also with songwriters in Nashville.
Another country singer who will be performing is Weston Frank of Mount Vernon.
I think it's pretty cool. You know me, I'm playing everywhere, but I rarely get a chance to play my own tunes.
One of his tunes he'll perform will be "Who I Am."
I always tell a story on stage when I play it is that I bought a guitar and my wife was really mad at me. She said, "Why'd you buy another guitar?" I said, "I'm gonna write songs with it." And she said, "Why do you need a special guitar to write songs?" I said, "Because it's small and I can sit at the table and write songs with it." She said, "You're not going to do that." So I wrote a song to spite her about that.
Like Danica Michaels' song, it too can now be heard on some country radio stations. Michaels is convinced the Sounds of Nashville is an event that country music fans won't want to miss.
I will be making an announcement. I haven't announced it yet, but we are going to be pulling in some Nashville songwriters as well, and that will be announced next week. These are writers that have written for some of the best country artists out there in Nashville today.
And the Sounds of Nashville is next month on Friday, March 18th. For ticket information, times, and location, we provide the link under this story on KELOLAND.com.